Alright guys, I'm so excited to launch this new book, Builder versus Builder. Reason why we created this book is because, closing over 100 something transactions on brand new homes here in Las Vegas, buyers and also agents will ask me which is a better home builder. Well, it comes down to materials and products, and that's the reason why we've created this book. But within this book, there's a total of 32 questions that you need to ask the builder. This is how you're going to compare one builder to another, because it comes down to material and products. Now this book right here is a comprehensive guide on evaluating materials from one builder to another. We break it down all in this book. And don't worry about it, because if you don't understand the materials and the lifespan, it's all in here. Again, there's a total of 32 questions that you need to ask. Now, if you want to get this, it's free. And this is only exclusive for all my followers on YouTube, okay? All you have to do is just text builder to this number right here. Again, it's free. Go ahead and text builder to this number and we'll give it to you. All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. But before we get started on this video home tour, I want to give a quick shout out to Natalia and Ben Harris with Las Vegas Sotheby's International. This is actually their listing. Got to give credit where credit is due. So today we're going to be exploring this brand new listing. So I'm up here in the city of Henderson and this beautiful master plan community, Anthem Country Club. This is a guard gated community. So if you guys love the golf, this is definitely one of the neighborhoods that you definitely need to check out. Now, this home was actually built in 2004, but it has been completely renovated from floor to ceiling. The upgrades on here are just spectacular. So we're going to tour this together, but also we're going to kind of compare this home to another home that we just recently toured a couple days ago. Same floor plan, but we're going to compare apples to apples. So this one right here features 3,848 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, a den, a loft, and a total of 4 bathrooms with a 3-car garage. All right, so let's take a look at this. Exterior has been completely painted. We're going to take a walk down this way here because it looks like they added a brand new AC unit. We got 2 AC units that are brand new. So if you end up purchasing a resale home that has been remodeled, you're going to see that they don't normally replace the AC units because of the cost. It's very expensive. But on this one, they did a lot of upgrades to it, which is, I really think it is worth the price based upon what's selling in the neighborhood here. And the asking price on here is $1.9 million. I mean, they painted everything. So I'm going to point out some of the upgrades here. So they replaced this door with this glass door, which is nice. All right, we're going to go inside. First thing I notice is how nice and bright everything is. We've got LVP flooring. Baseboards here are about 5.5 inches straight edge, orange peel texture, bull nose. And I also notice all the lights have been replaced with flush mount LED lights. Now this room right here, you had an option during the time when you built this house to have this as a den, right? Or you could utilize this as an office. You would actually have a wall here. Or you could have this as a bedroom. I like the fact how this is completely open. Really changes the look of this house. The formal dining. Here they added the sconset lighting and also the wine rack. All right, let's go down this way here. So during this build, you had the option to have two primaries, one upstairs and one downstairs. On this one, they only did one, and it's downstairs. So this lives as a single story home. They added this 20-foot slide, which is gorgeous, by the way. Kind of just make my way around here. Look at that linear fireplace. This is about 8 feet. Let's start off with the kitchen. Nice waterfall. Let's take a look at the veinings on here. Got some of the browns. Very elegant touch. I love the backsplash. Looks like this is just one whole piece on the backsplash. Look at that. They did also the pot filler. I like the fact that this pot filler is a little bit higher. Normally when they add a pot filler, I feel like it's just way too low. And they did the Thor 48-inch. This is gorgeous. The other one that I was looking at the other day, it only had that slide in. But they did a lot of upgrades to this home. The kitchen is like the main focal point here. I mean, just take a look at this. And we've got LED lighting along all the toe kicks here. Now, one of the concerns I had was basically the pantry, right? As you can see, there's not enough room for the pantry, but with all the cabinets that they have, look at the ample storage here. I mean, just look at this. We have the 12, we have the 24 depth here. Soft closing cabinets, full overlays. Love the color of the panels. Let's take a look at some of these pull-outs. Obviously, it's going to be dovetails. Then we have white to give you a beautiful, nice contrast. Again, we have the LED lights, under-mounted sink here. And we have the garbage disposal. We got the Cafe 36 on the refrigerator. We've got the matching dishwasher. Let's take a look at this. The finishings on here are really good. It's gorgeous, this one whole piece right here. Did a really good job. We've got 10-foot ceilings. They added so much can lighting too as well, which is just, love how much light is coming into this house. All right, let's go over here now. Let's take a look at the guest bathroom. Nice high vanity. Under-mounted sink. Looks like they repositioned the supply line. Backlit. Mirror. Six-panel door. Additional storage underneath the staircase. Laundry room. Front load Samsung. And then we have the cabinets. Utility sink. Now let's go take a look at the 2-car garage on this side. Now the 3-car is not attached. It looks like they painted the floors. Freshly painted. We have the side door that takes us out to the back. We got the soft water here. Looks like we got 2 brand new hot water tanks. All right, let's go take a look at the primary. Oh, I love this slide. Look at this. We'll open this up in just a little bit and go out to the back. Oh, we got to take a look at this. Pretty creative with the LED lights, huh? Definitely a piece of work of art. Look at this. Got additional cabinet space, storage. Here's the primary. Got a king size bed. Added a fireplace. You can hang your TV. Love the fact that we have a door here that takes us out to the back. And let me show you this bathroom. I like how they popped out this feature wall here with the soapbox LED light inside the soapbox. I mean, to create a nice art piece. That's really gorgeous. This is all popped out. You have a his and hers. Let's take a look at the walk-in shower. With the shower being this small, by using larger tiles, believe it or not, makes the room feel a lot bigger. That is definitely a design technique for a smaller shower, so love that. Again, they moved the supply line. Let's take a look at the closet. Custom closets. You got LED strips too as well. See who the manufacturer was on this one. Definitely a decent sized closet for sure. Alright, let's make our way upstairs. See what we're working with here. Wow, look at this kitchen, guys. Definitely made to entertain for sure. On the other house that we tour, they added like a bunch of rocks here. There's a chandelier light right there, pre-wired. Definitely upgraded to the carpets. It feels like a 6-pound pad for sure. Here's the loft area. They added 4-can lighting above. So bedroom number 2. We got a suite, half hot here. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Not bad, look at that. Very impressed how clean this thing is. And at this price point, talking about attention to detail. So we got a French door here. One of the options during the time of the build, you had the option to add a balcony. This could have been cut in half right here. Bathroom would have been right here. Very large loft, but let's go take a look outside real quick. Definitely have strip views. I mean, it's a brand new pool. Very large balcony for sure. Definitely nice game room for sure. I believe this is a 60-inch linear fireplace. They added the cabinets. Got the floating shelves, sconset lighting. Love the sheen on the tile.
Let's see what else we got here. And this should be the, what, third bedroom with the Jack and Jill. Oh, on the other one was actually a Jack and Jill. I wonder if this one has a bathroom too. Oh, this is a way better. Oh no, never mind. This is that Jack and Jill. I got confused. I got tricked. Yeah, so this is the same floor plan as the other one. So we got our walk-in closet here. If you guys want the measurements and the full description of this property, I'm going to have this pinned in the description. Wow, they ripped out the original tub. This is all brand new here. Everything is pretty much brand new. I'm going to say like 95%. This whole house is brand new. All brand new rocker switch, all outlets, ceiling fans. This looks like the original banister. Here's all ripped out, added everything all brand new with it. I like this color combo with this banister here. See this? On camera it does pick up a little bit darker, but in real life it's a little bit lighter, but I do like that. It's very subtle, but then you can still see it. Let's go out to the backyard. Show you guys what's going on here. I'm telling you, for 1.5 million, this is, I'm sorry, 1.9 million, this is definitely worth the price. Okay. These are some solid slides. These slides are not cheap. Lot size roughly about 9,200 square feet. Very clean. You got the Pentair system. Everything is all controlled by an app. It's heated as well. Love the fact that we have a view fencing. HOAs here are going to run you about $355 a month. I don't know, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. And I did do a video home tour on a similar property a couple days ago, so if you guys haven't had a chance, check out that video and let me know what your thoughts are. That home compared to this home, which one you guys like better? Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video home tour. Again, if you guys want more information about this property or would like to schedule an appointment, I'll have a link in the description below and also in the comments as well. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. Alright guys, be blessed. Hey, thanks for scanning that QR code. I really do appreciate it. So if you're thinking about selling your home and you want to learn how we are able to sell your home for top dollar, and how we can actually sell it for fast, it really just comes down to marketing. Just like this video here, I was able to drive you to this video, right? At the end of the day, it's about how you market your property. You got to work with the right agent. I'm going to show you exactly all the strategies that I use to help you to sell your home faster and also for more money. And yes, that is my $400,000 Lamborghini. Give me a call.